In this video, we will walk through how to add plans to your locations and sublocations in CriticalAsset. On the left menu, choose Locations and Plans. Select the location or sublocation you would like to add plans to. Click the yellow Add a Plan button. This opens a modal where you can choose to upload files already in CriticalAsset from your computer or from a Google map. You also have the ability to choose trades to tag your plan with and enter a type for your plan. Click this device and choose the plans you would like to upload. There is no need to enter a name if your plans are already named. Click the Save button to upload your plans. When the plans have been successfully uploaded, you will see notifications at the top. You will also see your plans populate here in your location or sublocation. If you want to edit your plan, you can click the Edit Plan button on the right side. From here, you can enter and edit the name, you can adjust the type and change the category and add a description. Click Save to see your changes. To delete a plan, simply click the Delete Plan button and choose Yes to delete.